So it's day 3 of the project. Day 2 was rained out. So I'm just down here with the team and everybody just cracking on more or less. So let's spin around, have a look at to see what's been happening. Ooh. So right now I'm in the jungle with Rasta. I clean up a big piece of land here. Big project. I'm on the rail walks today. Rasta down in there. Rasta still down in there. So we've come to the end of day 3. And yeah, not too bad at all, not too bad at all. So you can see in the background. Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna be ranging, forking and finish cleaning up the land for Friday, planting day.